Hi guys, welcome back to Self-Sufficient Mama. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys about electroculture, what it is, and my experience with it. Electroculture is a method of using conductive metals like copper, zinc, brass, silver, basically to create antennas to capture the free atmospheric ions and channel them into your soil. This significantly increases the plant growth and the health of the plant. It's also been said to aid in the soil quality, and you use less water. It helps with your plant yield and also pest control. So although it's probably been around for actually thousands of years, it was actually first presented in 1749 by Abe Nolet. And the energy that's harnessed by these electroculture rods or these other structures I'm sharing with you are ways to get the electroculture is used to present, and it's the energy harnessed. It's also known as chi, the prana, life force, and the ether. And I wanted to share with you guys my own experience with it. Here it is. I am sharing with you guys today electroculture. So I am going to put up a before picture of this lavender that died, and I resurrected it. It had been in like a very bad dormant stage for a couple years. I used electroculture to bring it back to life, and now it's even sprouting some lavender flowers. So for this you're going to need some type of stick. I'm using a bamboo stick, some wire cutters, and some solid copper wire. I am using 18 gauge that I had gotten from Amazon because my hardware store did not carry what I was looking for, but of course you could find it there. So all you're going to do is wrap the copper wire around your stick that you're using, and then you're going to want to place it up against the plant next to the root, and it will help your plant flourish. So since I already helped this one, I am going to replace an electroculture rod in there, but I noticed my tomato plant over here, this is an heirloom plant that obviously is not thriving like the rest of my tomato plants are. So I stole the rod out of my lavender plant and stuck it over here next to the roots, next to the plant. I will give you guys an update on this. So it has been a few days since I placed the electroculture copper rod here. You can see it is flourishing and growing and doing a lot better than it was when I first took the video. But I also wanted to share with you guys, I had some struggling pepper plants over here that I added some rods to, and also my melons, trying to see if I could get them to grow so I could actually harvest them this summer. And I have a bunny down there, a little bunny next to my peppers, or not peppers, my melons. I'm going to leave it alone, but as you can see, I have 2 melons here and a little one guy over here. They are growing really fast, faster than normal, and I have a whole bunch of little ones sprouting up since I put the electroculture rod. So I'm going to continue placing them all over the place and watch my garden continue to flourish. Here's my little Frenchie saying hi to us, and that's about it. Just wanted to give you guys an update and share with you guys. Please start using the electroculture. It helps very, very significantly. If you guys have tried this, share your stories in the comments below, and If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them, and I'll see if I can answer them to the best of my ability. I'll see you guys later.